Hi everybody and welcome to this video. This crash course is about machine learning and artificial intelligence with Unity3D. Before I'm going to show you the main AI projects we will create here from scratch, I want to discuss why Unity is the perfect environment to train your own AIs. Well, let me take the case of a self-driving car. What you need is complex environments where there are lots of realistic physical interactions. So you could provide these data from interactions with the real world, but this is extremely inefficient and time consuming. Since games become more and more realistic, you just can provide these informations from virtual environments. And for that, Unity is perfectly positioned. No matter if you are a game developer who wants to create AIs for games, or if you are a hobby researcher who just want to play with machine learning, the ML Agents toolkit is the perfect start in order to create your own AIs. Okay, what do we create in this course? Well, first we will train the basic scene from Unity in order to check all the settings and to get a first idea how the workflow of the toolkit is. We will learn what are the key components and for what they are responsible, what the toolkit is doing behind the scenes, by learning how a neural network is working. Then we will dive deeper into the machine learning techniques, reinforcement learning and imitation learning by creating a 3D rollerball AI. The goal of the AI is to find the fastest way to a random cube. Another perfect example of machine learning is to create an AI that learns to play Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird is a really nice example because there are so many informations and we need to provide, for example, the height of the pipes, position of the bird itself, etc. Therefore, to calculate the best action in each state with hard-coded behavior would be really hard, but instead we can use reinforcement learning. And finally, you will learn how to use the method imitation learning by creating a self-driving car. Imitation learning is special because instead to train the agent with trial and error methods, the neural network will be trained by values from a human player. If you're interested in these topics, then it would be really nice to see you again in the next videos.